How to clear RAM cache in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this instructional video, I'll demonstrate the process of clearing the RAM cache in your Windows 11. So clearing the RAM cache in Windows 11 is beneficial as it enhances the system performance by releasing memory, minimizing lag, and improving the overall responsiveness. This ensures a more seamless and efficient computing experience. Let's initiate the video. To begin, right-click on the Start menu icon and select Task Manager. From the menu, in the Task Manager window, navigate to the Performance tab just next to the Processes and click on the Memory section. Here you will be able to absorb the cached memory, which currently stands as 8.6 GB. To clear the RAM cache memory in Windows 11, you'll need to access the link provided in the description below. Upon opening the link, you will find a small application named RAM Map, which is an official application from the Microsoft. Proceed to download the RAM Map, and once the download is complete, open the compressed zip file, and after extracting the contents, open the RAM Map application and click on Agree. Upon accessing the main interface of the RAM Map application, you will notice that the current GB, and click on the Empty tab and select Empty Standby List. By doing so, you will absorb a reduction in the cached memory from certain GB to certain MB. That concludes the process of clearing the RAM cache in the Windows 11 laptop or desktop PC. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.